Welcome back to the Faculty Guide channel. Please watch the video fully to know the key details of the job. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel and for getting these kind of job details. Okay, the applications are invited from the interested candidates for the positions of junior research fellow. Let's see the vacancies one by one. Junior research fellow job vacancies is announced in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. The essential qualifications is the candidates have to complete ME or MTech with first division, that is both graduate and postgraduate level in the field of mechanical engineering, or the candidates have to complete BE or BTech with first division with a NET and GATE qualified in the field of mechanical engineering. Okay, I already mentioned the number of vacancies is 2. The date of interview is 22nd October 2022, 23 October 2020. The stipend for this post is 31,000 plus house and rental allowances. The desirable knowledge for this post is knowledge of mechanical engineering, design and fluid mechanics, right? Okay, the knowledge of mechanical engineering design and fluid mechanics. The knowledge of CFD, that is computational fluid dynamics, mechanical engineering softwares like ANSYS Fluent. Okay, then the knowledge of modeling and simulation systems and good programming skills in VB.NET, MATLAB, and grid analysis and display systems, right? Experience of field data collections and working experiences and scientific publications, and knowledge of FEM and FEA software, abacus, right? Okay, so this kind of knowledges, desirable knowledges is required. Okay, right. Then 3 JRF vacancies is announced in the Department of Computer Engineering. Yeah, the desirable qualifications is B or BTech with first division in computer science and engineering with NET or GATE, or ME or MTech with first both divisions. Yeah, ME or MTech with first division both at graduate and postgraduate level with NET or GATE qualified. For this GRF vacancy, you have to complete your master's degree and also the post NET or GATE certificates. Okay, and the stipend for this post is 31,000. The desirable skills is programming knowledge in C and C++, and basic knowledge of game development. Yeah, basic knowledge of game development engines, and experience of image processing softwares, and working experiences or proficiency in software development such as VB.NET and our software and MATLAB and Python, and also geomatics, remote sensing, and GIS. Okay, and high resolution satellite data processing with GIS. So the third post is a JRF vacancies in JRF three vacancies in the Department of Remote Sensing Department. The essential qualifications is postgraduate science degree with first division or with NET or GATE qualified in the field of remote sensing, GIS, geomatics and geoinformatics and computer science, or the ME or MTech in the first division in the field of remote sensing or GIS and geomatics or geoinformatics or computer science. The desirable qualifications: good working knowledge in different remote sensing and another skills of knowledge of remote sensing data analysis for terrain and snow and glacier related info extraction, and good programming skills in MATLAB, Python or C++, and experience of handling field instruments and experience of field work and preferably in glaciers, and good working knowledge of hyperspectral technology and geospatial modeling, etc. And this, yeah, for this post also the stipend is 31,000 plus house and rental allowances. And the two number of vacancies in the physics department with the essential qualifications is MSc Physics with first division and with UGC CSI or NET GATE qualified, and desirable working experience in modeling and simulations, and desirable working experience in MATLAB, C or C++, Fortran, PHP and JavaScripts and some other softwares like this. And for this post you have a stipend of 31,000 plus house and rental allowances. and one vacancies in the Department of Forestry, Botany, Agriculture and Plant Physiology. And here the essential qualification, you have to complete your first division with these departments, and with NET or GATE qualified certificates, and desirable MSc in Forestry and Agricultural Forestry and Horticulture, and experience of plantation of forestry and horticultural crops. Okay, the applications in the prescribed performer along with the scanned copies of required certificates has to be sent through email, and the email address is given in the description. The close date of the submitting applications is 12th October 2020. Okay, the general conditions for the candidates is one candidate can apply only for one fellowship as their essential and desirable qualification, and also no TA and DA will be paid attending the interview and joining irrespective of the selection. Okay, no government accommodation would be provided by the organization to the candidates. The number of fellowship may increases or decreases depending upon the prevailing recruitment. The candidate shall be shortlisted to be interviewed on the basis of their score of the national written test, NET or GATE, percentage of marks obtained in the minimum qualifying degree. So the important dates, the interview date is on 22nd October to 23rd October 2020. The mode of interview is through video conferencing. The last date for receipt of application form through email is 12th October 2020. I hope this video will surely improve your career. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.